In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mind map in ClickUp. Let's get started right inside ClickUp. On the left side of your screen, open the main sidebar and head into Spaces. This is where your work is organized, so choose the space you want to visualize. If you manage multiple spaces, pick the one that contains the folders and lists you'd like to map out today. Once you're in that space, look toward the top area where your views live and open the View options. From the list of available views, select Mind Map. ClickUp offers a couple of ways to build a mind map here, and for this walkthrough, we'll use the option that says something like visualize your folders, lists, and tasks in a clear structured view. This choice pulls from your existing hierarchy and tasks, so you immediately get a map of what already exists instead of starting with a blank canvas. If you see a toggle or tab for tasks, make sure it's selected so you're seeing your real work reflected in the mind map. Your mind map will now appear, showing your folders branching into lists and lists branching into tasks. This is a dynamic view, so you can pan around by dragging the canvas and zoom in or out with your trackpad or mouse wheel to focus on the right level of detail. Click the small expand or collapse icons next to any node to reveal or hide deeper levels. If you're working with subtasks, expanding those nodes can help you quickly understand depth and dependencies at a glance. You can click a task node to open its details, check its status, or review assignees and due dates without leaving the map. If anything looks empty, double check that you're in the correct space and that filters aren't hiding items. It also helps to confirm that your folders and lists actually contain tasks, since the visualization depends on the structure you already have. A few quick tips to keep this view useful. Keep your folders and lists named clearly so the branches read logically. Collapse branches you're not focusing on to reduce visual noise. And zoom out to scan overall workload, then zoom in to plan next actions. If you want to compare another area of your workspace, switch back to the sidebar, choose a different space, and repeat the same process to load its map. That's all it takes to create and use a mind map in ClickUp. With just a few clicks, you can move from a static list to a structured visual overview that makes your work easier to understand and manage.